Oppo has shared a series of images on its official ColorOS page on Facebook. From those images, we get information about most of the new features for Oppo Reno4 series that we can expect to see come with the Android 10 based ColorOS 7.2 update. List of new features. Below you can check the list of some features that come with ColorOS 7.2. Quick return bubble. Meet the fun side of ColorOS. Let you know the exact time to return to the game with one easy tap. No more boring waiting. OPPO Lab. A treasure box of innovative features where you can rate your satisfaction level and give your feedbacks. Artist Wallpaper Project. Enjoy a visual feast of artist wallpaper right at your fingertips and bring it to your home screen. Super Power Saving Mode. Now, users have a powerful performance that ensures a fun experience on your device. Super Power Saving Mode, which gonna relieve from any low battery anxiety, even when you have 5% left. Super Nighttime Standby. Through its automated power saving strategies, your device will only consume 2% power overnight. AI App Preloading. Predict your next move through its intelligent capabilities and preload the app you need. Icon Pull Down Gesture. Pull up from the side with your thumb to lower all apps. Make operation with one hand easier. 3-finger scrolling screenshot. Pages will scroll down automatically while taking scrolling screenshots. The feature is also available in landscape mode.